Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Delta Force game is not launching on your PC. Guys, first open up the Steam, then just click on the Delta Force game, then just click on this gear icon and go to your game properties, and here you'll see the launch option, and in the launch option just type -dx11. Now launch the game, then check if your game is launching or not. If not, then just type your -dx12, launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just type your -d3d11. Now launch the game, then check. If your game is still not launching, then just remove the launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game. Now launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just disable the Discord overlay. If Discord is installed on your PC, then just open it, then just go to the setting, disable the Discord overlay, then just launch the game again, then check problem is fixed or not. Still not launching, then just click on the install files, click on this verify integrity or game files. Guys, it will take some time, so just wait for it, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just click on this browse option you are seeing on the top. Guys, look for your game launcher or exe file of your game. To make right click on it and go to its properties, then just go to the compatibility tab, and here just check the box of administrator, then just check the box of disable function optimization. Now click on apply, launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Still not launching, then just close it. Now the next solution that you can try is go to your Windows set, type here the updates. Windows update appear on the top, so just open it. Guys, update your Windows and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. So once you update your Windows or graphic card driver, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now try all of this solution and hope one of these fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye and take care.